Okay, there seems to be problems with Soraya. And it turns out that she did another problem in the community. She claimed that AEIS doxed her email. Her email was doxed. Many other people. And it was only for some YouTube announcement things. He blamed it on AEIS to tell y'all the truth. But she was just a drama queen. Let me tell you about that. And another thing she did was that she groomed a 15-year-old boy named Blue Anime Games while still in a fucking relationship. She cheated on SB with Blue Anime Games. And not to mention the fact that she groomed Exton as well. Dear Lord. So, SB Anime, if you're watching this, I feel really bad for you. I couldn't even believe how she cheated on you with Blue Anime. I can't believe she made you feel heartbroken, and I'm so sorry for that. She did an unbearable thing. She has really gone over the line right now. And I feel really sorry. I hope it'll make you feel better. Christmas art can make you feel better enough. But keep that in mind. Maybe New Year can cheer you up. Besides, it's only 4 days at the end of 2022. And I'm sure you'll get through this. Hang in there, buddy. I'll be here for you. Soraya, on the other hand, well, it ain't gonna be pretty. As I got a message for her. You'll see why, guys. As I got a nice little message from my dear little Soraya. Soraya, if you're watching this as of now, here's what I have to say. What the actual fuck is wrong with you, stupid son of a bitch? Why the fuck would you cheat on the AFB anime with Blue Anime Games? Don't you realize that he's a fucking minor? You not only made a big Amanda Rose move there, but you're also doing the same thing as Vision Frigga did when he dated a minor back in 2020. You have really lost your goddamn mind. Now look the fuck you did. You really pissed me off. Not only that, you also groomed Exton. And look the fuck you did. He felt uncomfortable thanks to you. Now you've gone too far and committed a fucking crime. You've not only committed a crime in the community, but you also sinned against everyone, including SB. You have made a far worse situation. And I hope you will go to hell for what you did. Lie, cheat, and steal. That's what you do. And I hope that you'll get taken down by the holocord. And of course, the AEIS group. We don't tolerate any cheaters. You have betrayed us all, Soraya. No wonder why you've been following your own brother's footsteps. Your brother, Anga, has cheated on Irene with Kelly, and now you're doing the same thing. But with Blue Sonic Animate. Oh my god. You have gone way too far, Soraya. Here's the thing, Soraya. In my area, I don't tolerate sex offenders. because they will be registered, and if they violate this law, they will be going behind bars. And that's exactly what will happen to you. So, if you get off the internet, no harm will come to you. But if you refuse, police will be coming down in your house and you will be in handcuffs because you are a criminal. And because of all that, you will be in boiling water with the holocord along with the AEIS because they will take you down for good. And now there's going to be a podcast on Friday, on New Year's Eve. So be prepared when it comes out on Friday. You are in hot water now, Soraya, because you have done enough of those crap. You want to do this to anyone? Well, guess what? Karma is coming your own way. Because we don't tolerate anyone who does so much stupid shit on the internet, especially pedophiles. So yeah, I hope you'll understand that, and I really hope that your parents or your brother will see this, because you have gone way over the line. Oh wait, your brother's a criminal, so are you. So yeah, you and your brother are no longer with us. God damn it, some motherfucker! Sorry about my angle, guys. It's just that Soraya has gone way over the level and she's taken way too far. And Kelly, if you're watching this, please cut ties with Soraya. She's done enough damage. And if you're watching this as of now, Soraya, be prepared because the holocord will take you down for good. And I hope you will understand. You are a pedo in your own country, Indonesia. And I hope you will understand that. Oh yeah, to tell you all the truth, I'm a good YouTuber. So that's why I changed the background to fit its setting. Anyways, that's all for now. This is me, signing off. Bye bye.